goodness.
What is it?
That reminds me of the same year.
If you can't seem to resist
What is this?
Carl's Jr. guacamole baking burger.
No streamer.
Juice of charbroiled beef.
Thank you.
Bacon, and lots of house-made guacamole. Guacamole is like with hand-chopped tomatoes and cilantro and creamy avocado.
What?
It's okay. Everyone eventually gives
There's a
in
new
to
butter from Fortnite.
free guacamole
Really?
baking burger with new library voice on it. Minimum $1 or cream members only within 7 days of registration. Time to see if
It's gonna be gone.
I know.
I was crossing the street when I met the love of my
Right
life.
now.
I chased after her. Nothing would stand in my way. Not the dog walker, nor the hot dog vendor. Finally reaching her, I asked, what do you call that amazing smell?
Look at you watching
Game
you.
flings. Game flings. My love had a name.
do.
More importantly, it had
Oh my
sense.
goodness.
Oh, wow, with Game Flings. Seriously good scent.
Try Game Flings and save even more at Target with a free
Try
gift
on.
card.
It's kind of tight.
Is it?
Yeah.
See, that's why I told him why I didn't want to do it on bar.
Try put it on.
It's really small.
Shoot lang. Bakit naman nila shoot lang?
It's supposed to be
It's a
Twix, but...
Twix. I can wear it for you.
Hey, what about him? Look, he's looking around.
Wait, Seko. Wait, gagamitin. It's...
What?
Stop using a knife.
Hey, look at me. You're gonna lose your stuff. Look at this head. Hey.
This.
I was trying to put it down and it got stuck. Thank you. Mommy gives. My gift. Clean up your stuff. Loya que está más una mayor que me. You smell it cool? Hey, you want to smell it?
Smells like you. Mm-hmm.
Kabangon na mo mas kumakain ko na nga islamida to pala na follow yak.